Welcome back to our channel. So right now we are in Kuta, Legian, and now we are heading to our first surfing lesson. And we're so excited to try this out since we arrived Bali, and now we are doing it finally. So big cheers to us, and we'll be taking you guys along with us. How is the lesson for the total beginner, because we both have no experience so far. This is gonna be the first thing that we're gonna do about surfing. So I hope you guys enjoy the videos, and let's see how is it. So guys, now we are at the spot, like we're trying to cool down for a while before we start the surfing lessons. And Eric, you're gonna be our instructor?
Yes.
Okay, he is our instructor for the day. Just doing a vlog. Okay. What are you thinking?
I'm checking the people.
So guys, so now we are ready to take the lessons and see how the surfing go for us. Let's go. Okay, this is the spot that I'm gonna teach, and later we'll be going there. So guys, now we are taking a break after 1 hour of surfing, and let's ask Liga how's her first experience. How's your experience?
It's a bit difficult actually.
Very difficult to what? Balance, right?
Yeah.
How many times you fall down?
Wow, I cannot count. Most of the time I fall.
Only 1 time or 2 times I think you successfully. Yeah.
5 times.
Yeah. For me, I think I'm a bit getting better. I can balance for a while. Yeah, but it looks easy, but it's really difficult, guys. Trust me. Even after like 1 hour, we really like exhausted now.
It's too tiring actually.
Yeah, but it's fun actually. It's really fun.
You must try if you come to Bali.
Yeah. Okay, we have 1 more hour and let's go. So okay guys, now we just finished our lesson. Eric, how do we do as a beginner
Doing
today?
really good, Dirk.
Okay. Hey babe, how was your 2-hour surfing lesson?
My second hours is really good. I know how to balance, I know how to stand already. I think if you give me 1 more hour, I can do already.
What? You can go Olympic surfing? Yeah. So guys, now we just finished our surfing for 2-hour lessons, like as a new beginner, which is, I think, it's really worth it, for which we paid for around $28 Singapore dollar. And yeah, I mean, it's so much fun that you should try it out when you're in Bali, especially at the Malu surfing. And yeah, so until and see you guys in the bye bye.